Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am on my way to downtown Portland, or like southeast Portland. I'm gonna take the Selwood Bridge only because I like it and I haven't been in Selwood in a while, so why not? And we're gonna be doing Postmates. This is my first day doing Postmates on the scooter and I'm super excited. We'll see how that goes. Have my cell phone going. I got a power bank since I don't have a way to charge my phone yet. I will be tomorrow though. I got the cables in the mail so I can wire a USB charger thing to the battery up here. So this is the area that I used to live when I first moved to Lake Oswego. It's this place and it's that apartment over there. Somebody lives there right now. Lots of good memories out there. The apartment complex itself is okay. The management kind of sucky, but which apartment complex management isn't, right? I got 2 orders prior to the one I'm delivering right now, and couldn't complete both of them. The first one, the card wouldn't work. The card reading machine in the store wouldn't work, so I had to cancel that one. The second one, the restaurant just refused to make the order because apparently the Postmates wouldn't update their menu or something like that, so I had to cancel that one. And of course, well, now my third order, of course, it has to be the Subway. At least I don't have to smell it. Yep, so now I'm on my third order. It's a Subway. I don't have to smell it, thank God. It was just one sandwich. It was pretty quickly. And I'm about a mile away from drop-off, which will be a success. I know it, but yeah, we are in Southeast Portland. We are currently on Belmont in Southeast Portland. A cute little street. There's some cafes and local restaurants and art galleries. There's actually an art gallery here that I used to help manage. Come on, people, move along. Sorry guys, I forgot to close my van, so if it was a little loud or windy, I'm sorry. We're getting close to the drop-off. Okay, so got another delivery, and this one is the first one for me. I had to go to Safeway, which is a local grocery store. People who live in Seattle and Portland and the West Coast, I guess, would know this. Yeah, so I gotta go to Safeway and pick up a little bit of groceries, which is, I've never done that kind of delivery, so that's the first. Okay guys, so I just got, as soon as I start filming my last clip, my battery died. So I went to Safeway, I picked up all the groceries and it fit perfectly in this little bag. So now I'm gonna go and drop it off. It's less than a mile away, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, I don't know where to go though. I forgot to put my gloves on. God damn it. Oh well. And I just got another delivery. So as soon as I drop this one off, I have another one. So doing Postmates on the scooter is actually pretty easy. It started not so great because I pretty much had one tiny order which I did, and then after that I had 2 orders that got canceled, so I didn't get paid for those. But it's okay. And then I had that one order that took forever, but that's okay. That's okay. I need to clean my windshield, I guess, on my helmet because I smushed the bug. And it's right in the middle. So I gotta do that. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, stop sign. Oh, look at this van. There's two vans. Look at that high top. Two roof vans. Nice. Yeah, Portland has a lot of van dwellers, that's for sure. There's, as I'm doing Postmates, I actually found quite a few street spots that you can stay at. Okay, we're almost there. There we go. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, delivery is done. Glad I had this red box with me because if I didn't, I don't think I would be able to fit all those groceries under the seat. I need to get a new mic for the helmet because this one is it's a Sony lav mic, but it's a little bit too big, so we'll have to really stuff it in there. So that's why my voice is a little bit muffled. So hopefully I'll be able to get a new mic soon. They're like cheap Amazon mics. Sorry guys, I have to adjust my helmet. Just cheap Amazon mics, and so I just gotta order some when I get paid. I had a lot of people ask me questions about Postmates, how does it work, stuff like that, just in general working as a van dweller and stuff like that, in regards to like if you want to travel and not just stuck in one place, and like a non-traditional job. So Postmates is perfect for that. Really does. It's very easy to sign up, and then you can really do it anywhere you're at. So let's say after we're done with Portland, we're gonna go, let's say for example, we're gonna go to LA, for instance, and once we get there, I decided I need to make a little bit more money, so then I just transfer my I guess address, or I just let Postmates know that I am in LA now and not in Portland, and then they just transfer me over and activate me over in LA market, and then I can just deliver in LA. The one thing we do have to figure it out before we leave Portland is a carrier. We do have a motorcycle carrier, but it's only for one motorcycle. Yeah, it's only for one motorcycle. Now we have two, and this one is pretty wide. So we were looking at the carriers for the two motorcycles, but we're not sure if this one would even fit on there because it's so wide. So we do want to get a trailer at some point so we can keep them like indoors and stuff and not have more space for other things. But those are expensive, so until we can afford that, we have to get a carrier. And if the carrier that carries two motorcycles is not big enough for this one, because this one is pretty wide, we might have to put one up front and one in the back, which is gonna look so silly. But it's okay. Who cares what it looks like, right? As long as it works and as long as we have fun with it, that's all that matters. And we don't give a crap about what other people think about us, or what it looks like, I guess. So yeah, so if we have to do that, then we'll do that. Okay, so I just got another order, and this time it's a pizza. That's my first pizza on the scooter. I figured I can probably put it on top of my legs or something. I mean, it can't be that hard, right? Okay, I got the pizza. It's on top of my legs. It's nice and warm, and I'm not too far. I'm only like 1.5 miles away, so that's not bad at all. The only thing I'm concerned about is turns. If this pizza was any bigger, I don't think I would be able to transport it. So that's good to know. So I know that 16-inch pies are pretty much the biggest I can do. The amazing thing about doing Postmates on a scooter or a motorcycle is they actually show you the order before you accept it. So that way you can kind of decide for yourself if that's something you can transport or not. Which is pretty unique, because when you do it in the car, in the van, they don't show you the order at all. They just show you the place, because they assume that you can do it, because you know you have a car and you have enough space to transport big orders. But on the motorcycle or scooter, you have limited space, so they show you the order, which is nice.